So you started your side hustle and you've done everything you can. You're putting in the work, but you're not seeing sales. You're not making sales and you're wondering what is going on. Now, if you're watching this, I want you to know that I know, okay, that you are putting in the work. And for moms, balancing the family, finding time to put in work into the side hustle and all of that can be challenging. And sometimes it can be very discouraging when you're putting in all this work and you're not seeing the results yet, like you're not getting the money yet. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons to stay encouraged, even if your side hustle isn't making money right now. All right, are you ready? So let's go. The first reason will be that every success takes time. I know you may be in a tight place right now, like you need money ASAP, but I want you to know that every success takes time. Like money does not come immediately, and usually anything that comes quickly usually goes quickly. I know we've heard about a lot of overnight successes, but I want you to know that they don't just happen overnight. What we fail to see is the month, the weeks, the days, the sleepless nights that these people have put into their work. Now, I want you to know that building a side hustle is like planting a seed. You have to take time to water it, okay? And you have to be patient to allow the roots go deep down. And you have to be patient even more before it grows into a tree and start to produce fruits, okay? The more you water it, the more consistent you are, the more your hustle will grow, okay? I want you to also know that success is not a race. It's a journey, okay? And by starting it and not giving up, you're already on the right path. And in due time, I promise you, it will yield the fruits that you want it to yield. Reason number 2 will be that you're gaining experience, valuable experiences at that. So the thing is, the more you do something, the better you get at it, right? Now, even if you're not making money yet, you are learning those skills. You're building that muscle. You're understanding your market. You're understanding your own self. You're figuring out what works, what will not work. You're figuring out what you're good at, okay? You're figuring out what comes to you naturally. And this experience is invaluable, and I promise you that it will pay off in the long run. When I first started content creation and YouTubing, it was a lot, and when I see some of my videos that I had created in like years, like 5 or 6 years back, I see how far I have come, and I can see a big difference, okay? So the experience that you get from continuously doing these things is invaluable, okay? And at one point, you will figure it out and you begin to ride on the waves. I want you to remember that every mistake is a stepping stone to success. Remember that you're growing, you're learning, and you're becoming better each day as long as you continue to water your success, and that is consistency, okay? The third one will be that building a strong foundation takes time. Now, let's imagine that you're trying to build a 10-story building. You're not going to just build the foundation in a day, because if you just build the foundation in a day and you start to stack the building on top of it, it's going to collapse. So I want you to remember that building a strong foundation, even in your business, just like a building construction, it takes time. You have to wait, okay? You have to remain consistent. And just like a building, you need to lay a solid foundation for your side hustle to thrive. You need to. Now, all these foundational steps that I've just mentioned will probably not bring you any immediate income, okay? But they are very, very crucial for your long-term success. So think of this time as an investment into your future. Understanding that the stronger the foundation of your side hustle is, the more sustainable it will be. Now, the fourth one will be your breakthrough could just be around the corner. You remember that meme of the 2 people that were digging for gold, and one of them gave up and he was this close to hitting gold, all right? And the other person did not give up, he continued going. Okay, a lot of times you may be discouraged and feel that you need to give up, but you are so close to your breakthrough. You're closer than when you even began, okay? So just keep going. Many successful entrepreneurs will tell you that they failed countless times. They failed a lot of times before they eventually hit that big break. Sometimes it is when things seem very, very hard that your breakthrough is around the corner. It is always said that the darkest time of the night is just before daybreak. All right? So stay persistent, keep pushing forward. Don't give up yet. Knowing that every day brings you one step closer to your goals. Number 5, you're setting an example for your family, for your kids. As I film this video, my daughter is right in front of me and she can see the consistency. She can see that I continue to do the things that I have set my mind to do. Now, by pursuing your side hustle and staying with it, you're teaching your kids persistence. You're teaching them dedication, and you're teaching them how to follow their dreams. And whether you realize it or not, you're inspiring them. So even if the money is not coming yet, you are already creating a legacy. You're already creating a legacy of perseverance and passion. And listen, that is something money cannot buy. And when your children grow up with this, imagine the level they'll be when they're your age. So I want to encourage you to stay encouraged, okay? Your side hustle is worth it. The time that you're putting in is worth it. Just remember that good things take time, okay? And also you are closer to your breakthrough than before you started. And the best part of all, you're inspiring the young ones around you. You're creating that legacy of persistence and perseverance, which is something that money cannot buy. All right, so stay encouraged. Just hold on and don't give up. All right, if you found this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button. All right, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.